Hello guys, now Monday afternoon, few minutes and Tuesday or so by the time guys can see this. Yeah, as you can tell, it is another wet and well, really and a little bit really summer afternoon. But yeah, today last week in the Hurricane Odessa will be affecting the East Coast of Newfoundland tonight. But yeah, so far we've only had a few rain showers, but now it seems to have calmed down and the winds are starting to pick up some up. But yeah, well that's pretty extensive. But yeah, but I'm back in mountain now and yeah, and I got all your bags now. Just about I'm packed. But yeah. I just got my suitcase to unpack and you know that's pretty much all. But Fish gonna be back over here now for the first time. Well, last time I was here was on the 11th. Oh yeah, so she's not gonna go, but yeah. So yes, so everybody guys, hope everyone enjoyed the weekend. I actually did, of course, yeah, but I was working this morning do the deliveries in Montana, yeah. Yeah, but it was good morning doing deliveries. So we invested the two cities again and we actually managed to find post-COVID and that was funny this time, but yeah. Then on that I'm actually just we went over to today at work and to pick up my stuff and then I just went over here for dinner. I just finished my lunch and now just finishing packing up, unpacking I mean. But yeah, so, but yes, but you can tell I am getting better still for the head cold, yeah, because obviously if you feel like I got a lot more energy then I did for the past few days though, but oh yeah, oh yeah, I'm still coughing a little bit and I still feel a little bit stuffed up, but on that I'm feeling a lot better than what I was trying to past few days, so wait on, but but anyway, yeah. So I'm going home for the rest of the afternoon. I'll be doing whatever, and yeah, probably be resting and whatnot. And hopefully I'll recover totally from this head cold. Try next few days this week. So yeah. Yes, but anyway, but also yesterday I never vlogged, so so I'll make a recap of what I did yesterday too. So but yesterday what I do I was actually home toward the majority of the morning and maybe around 2 o'clock we obviously went out with data and stepmom to the city to help out with the company. With the companies, and then it did a about the shop there. What is it? Oh, yesterday late afternoon. For now, I just use my phone in the warehouse. Yep. They check on social, listen to some tunes and yeah. Then on that I just went home and relaxed and I just went on the a evening walk over to Peterborough Duffy Park back. It's always a good walk though, yes. I enjoyed it, but yeah. Yeah, but I'm good at outlaw walk, my last walk before the the hurricane tea, so yeah. Oh yes, so yeah. And I don't when I got home I just worked on Yes's vlog. So he said his vlog and then I packed up then and then that was pretty shit. Yep, it's like my day yesterday. So yeah. So on that I'll just stop talking and I'll enjoy the rest of my day at home and yeah. And I'll probably talk to you guys if you do decide to go on a walk, hopefully you can try some at all this afternoon or not. But because that's now it's not looking like it'll dry up, but hopefully there will luck and it will dry up later this afternoon or probably around early this evening or so. But yeah, because the weather controlling was till the late this evening and overnight with very heavy rain and high winds. So yeah, but I'll keep you guys posted on the hurricane as it as the day and day goes on and yeah, and I'll give you guys the I'll update you guys on how the hurricane went in tomorrow's vlog because I'll be been doing the rest of the hurricane since I'm working again tomorrow. So yeah, probably there'll be updates to our next 2 vlogs this week. But yeah, but for now I'll pretty much talk to you guys later this afternoon or evening. Alright guys, so it's now at the last clip, but then now it's unpacking myself. Yeah. So as you can see, I'm finally I'm not gonna in the rain necessarily stop, but the rain is definitely picking up somewhat as well. So yeah. But so I decided to take the opportunity to meet everyone before the hurricane arrives site. But yeah, but it's still pretty cloudy and it's still pretty warm and humid though. But on that's pretty much the extended. But yeah. So yes, so definitely we're going to be exploring the Ashman television, and of course what the rest of the video is, and of course once I finish here, I'm just going around the school area, the old Sack Holy Family, then and then I'll be doing Thomas. I'll be heading on back home from there. But yes, but yeah, but it's gonna be too busy or the moment I'll teach at school. Today though, since this is the second last week of August, and and the teachers don't usually start coming in till around the end of August. So yeah, pretty this it is the end of August, but the teacher starts to come in and get prepped for the coming school year. Yep, since Labor Day is in late August 30 to the second day weekend, and then the first day of school is on the 4th, I'm pretty sure. So yeah, so that's how I know from my years of going to school. the first day of school is always on a Wednesday. Oh yeah. So yeah. But yeah. So right on. So right now, just gonna enjoy the rest of the walk now, and I'll show you guys around the school I seen, and well, if I'm able to show the school, if there's no teachers, no kids over there that I'll if not, I'll up the guys myself over to the picnic table off of 7 Drive. But I'm on the way back home. Alright guys, so we up to the second Holy Family. Yeah, it looks to be down here at the playground, but seems to still be a few buildings over here and whatnot with kids at the church doing some sort of activity over. Yeah, don't did everything good over here though. Yeah, looks like so less about in the classroom, so at least some teachers are here, I guess. But yeah, not too bad. It's just only past the middle of August. So yeah, it looks like it's starting to pour rain again. But yes, so we do got some heavy rain showers around today, but well, the worst of it won't happen till tonight. But yeah, yes, so definitely haven't done walk on this, but definitely red one though. But so anyway, yeah, but like I've actually done with mini walks before. Oh yeah, especially in the porn room. So oh yeah, because I remember it's, back in 2014 when we got back from Boston. I'm pretty sure I said in August, but anyway, I went on a walk over 2,000 seats, and I don't think it was too soft, but when I was on the way back home, that's when it started to pour in. But yeah, but I made it out well, and I still got a video of it on my main YouTube. This is video 79, and I was walking down Malco Drive from Tyrell. But yeah, so this is gonna be very similar to or almost exactly the same as 10 years ago next week. Oh yeah, oh yeah. But this is the thing we do. Been blackberries, but but for now, just really past you now. Just been out to Tennessee, and yeah, and he's gonna be next week very much skin. So yeah, so I'll be talk to you guys once I'm over to the pictures office. So alright guys, so we over to the pictures office. So drop now, and already now. It's at 3 o'clock now, and yeah. The team got an awesome view of this we know each other area, and yeah, and gonna read next few pages as well. Oh yeah, read next few indeed. Oh yeah, but yeah, but the question looks to be motivating, including around the picnic tables. Oh yeah. So yeah, so this was my final stop point before heading on back home. So what I'll do now is I'll show you guys around our yard to show you guys how it's doing I will talk to you guys at the end of the vlog. So definitely be another short of each vlog today. So, but hope you enjoyed anyway. Alright, so just pulling to driving now, and yeah, as you can tell, some of the leaves on the trees are changing color. It's just somewhat, but yeah, but they're not totally there yet. So just give it another few weeks ago or so. I mean, and then they're totally changed color. But yeah, but you can sort of see some oranges along some of these other trees over here, but on that the trees over here in our garden I definitely started to change color, and even over here, oh yeah, and even leaves over here started to change color too. Nice. Oh yeah. So let's let me show you then the fall is coming in, and before the winter will be here. But yeah. But let's it'll take a few weeks or so, or even a month or so, to leave totally change color and fall off the trees. And that's when temperatures cool off. But oh yeah. But yeah. But for now, I'm just home for the rest of the day now, and yeah. And let's say that I'll be talk to you guys at the end of the vlog. Oh yeah. And even the trees over here, I started to change color even more. Oh yeah. Yep. Check it out though. Yep. Wicked. Alright guys, so it's Western pitch black darkness now, and yeah. And the hurricane just started here in the east coast Newfoundland though, but yeah. Started to really again though, but yeah. But on there, that's pretty much the instead we got the blinds closed here as well. As I'm just getting myself ready for bed about that, but yeah. So just we hope you guys enjoyed the vlog though. I certainly enjoyed it a while because I'm back to work again tomorrow, so I'm definitely looking forward to it, yeah. You can tell tired, and hopefully I'll have ability to play, and hopefully I'll be feeling more better tomorrow than I was trying to pass few days though. But yes, but I'll find it out tomorrow. But for now, I just hope everybody enjoys the rest of the work week, and I'll talk to you guys tomorrow. Over now.